Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasucat with AutoCAD 3D modeling practical exercise number 19. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel here, it will be helpful for us to growing up. In this tutorial I will create a cheese set, and first I will create a pound. You can see the image here, and you can get this reference image from our site mufasucat.com. Okay, we start now. Open your AutoCAD software and I will change view into front view. Click here front and we create a line from this point to the right here about 27.5, to the top about 3, and then to the left here about 2. Use a violet command. We violet with a radius about 2 point and select this corner. Okay, we create line again from this point to the right about 2, to the top about 5, and then to the left here about 2. Okay, use a violet command with a radius about 2 and select this corner, and then select this corner. Okay, use a line command. We create from this point to the top here about 2 point, and then to the right about 2, to the top about 6, and then to the left here about 3, and enter. Use a violet command with a radius about 1 and select at this corner, and violet again with a radius about 3 and select this corner. Okay, we create a line from this point to the top about 7, and then to the right here about 3. I will use RRC command. We create RRC from this point and type A for N, select this point, and then type R for radius about 7 and enter. Okay, select these two objects and delete. We create line from this point to the left here about 16.5 and move the last object from this point to this point. Okay, and move the last object to the top about 53 and enter. Okay, this is the object, and use RRC command from this point. Tap E for N, select this point, and then tap R from radius about 36 and enter. We use a line command from this point to the right here about 6.5 and move the last object to the top about 1. We create a line from this point to the right about 8 and move the last object to the top about 4, and use a line command. We create a line from this point to here and then to connect to here. Enter again. Select this two line object and then delete. I will use a violet command with a radius about 1. Select this corner and then select this corner. Okay, use a circle command. We create circle from the center points about radius about 14, and then move the last object to the top here about 13 and okay. I will create line from this point to the bottom and use a trim command to cut this circle object and then this line object. Select this line object and delete. Okay, and I will violet with a radius about 3. You can select cut this corner. Okay, use a join command to join this all object. Enter, and this all object already joined. I will convert this sketch into 3D model by using a revolve command. You can tap revolve, enter, select this sketch and start from this point to the bottom here about 360 degree and enter. Okay, change into top view, and then I will create a plane plan show from this point to here and change into front view. I will move this object to the bottom here. Okay, and use rotate command. We rotate this object from this point and type C to copy to this point. And okay, move this object to the top here. Okay, next I will change into top view and then move this object to this point, and then we rotate this object from this point to here. Enter, and you can orbit to rotate the drawing and change into realistic view to view the object. Okay, I will change the phase trees into 10 point to make look more smooth, and we already create a pawn here. Okay, next I will apply a material into this pawn object. You can tap air mode to open a material browser and right click in global duplicate. I will give the name about pawn material and click this material twice. Use image here. I will use this image. You can get this image from our site movasuket.com and open, and then apply into this object. Right click here and assign to selection. Okay, I will change the texture size here about 60. Okay, and then close. Active tint here. Effect, I will change the colors into these colors and move to this point. Okay, I will duplicate this material, and then I will change this material with a tint color into this color. Okay, and apply into this object. You can right click and assign to selection. Okay, don't forget to active reflectivity here. I will use at this point, and then glassness about this point. Okay, for pawn materials, I will active reflectivity to this point and move glassness to this point. Okay, next we try to render this object. I will active full shadow and then use the Haiku renderer. Environment, I will active environment and change the background into solid and then white. Okay, change to white here. Okay, and then exposure 9 is okay. Close, and then we try to render this object. You can click here. Waiting for interloging. Okay, the reflectivity too much. I will change in a material. You can close this rendering process, and you can tap air mode to open material browser. I will click material here and edit this material. You can click here to metallic, change into metallic and close. And then for pawn material, change in here into metallic and close. And then we try to render again. Okay, you can see the result here. We waiting for the rendering process until finish. It's about 10 level. Okay, we finished the rendering process, and I think it's enough today for AutoCAD 3D modeling practical exercise number 19, how to make a pawn. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another AutoCAD cheat sheet model.